Okay, if I just take the coefficient, this is turning that system of equations into a matrix equation. Right? These are the coefficients of that first equation going across the top. Right? So it's a 3 by 3 times the variable matrix, which was the magnitude of u, the magnitude of v, the magnitude of z, the three things we don't know, equals the right-hand side, which is 0, 0, 480. Remember how we solved this in the calculator? Right. This is the matrix equation. A times x equals b. In order to solve for the variable matrix of x, you take a minus 1 of both sides. A minus 1 of a cancels each other out. That's the identity matrix. Right? So you get x equals a to the minus 1b. So in your calculator, remember where the matrix is? It's above the x to the minus 1. So you have to go in and go second, x to the minus 1, edit, right? And for the first, I'll hit 1. Remember, this is going to be the order or dimensions of the matrix. It's 3 by 3, right? When you do that, it'll pop up a little 3 by 3 matrix underneath. And then enter it in just like it is here, right? Don't turn it into decimals first. It'll do that for you. Put in 2/3, 0, negative 2/3, right? And it turns that into decimals. Right? Same thing even with the 2 over the square root of 5. Just put it in like that. It'll turn it into a decimal. Right? Then you do the same thing for the B matrix. Second matrix, edit, 2. It's a 3 by 1 matrix, right? Which has the values 0, 0, 480. Right? Then you go to the main screen. And you're going to do second matrix 1, x to the minus 1, second matrix 2, enter. So that's the tension in each cable. The tension in the vector in the direction of the u vector was 360 pounds. Same thing for the z vector. It looked like the v vector was 536.7. Right, so it's important that you recognize in the problem when they asked you for more than one thing, it was going to take a system to do it. And because it was a 3 by 3, we really only learned one way to do that. It was going to be matrices.